Hello, welcome to this video looking at how to resize an image in Photoshop. Kind of for beginners, so if you've got Photoshop and you want to resize the image, you might have something like this. You're going to have like a picture or a photo, and you might have some layer styles on it, like a bevel and a stroke and all that. So the way to resize it is we're going to go to Image and go to Image Size. And this is a box that will come up. So, now because I have the bevel and emboss, there's this little button here that says Scale Styles. So we might want to do that. So currently, say we wanted to fit it to, I don't know, like what about this one, the 1366? Okay, so we want to fit it to that size. So now you'll notice I can actually press Scale Styles, and that'll be on, and you see it have a little tick mark there. Now with resampling, it will automatically choose it as bicubic sharper. The best one though available out of all of them, these are kind of like newer ones that came out more recently. So the best one to go for is bicubic smooth gradients. And I can press OK. And this one does actually take a little bit longer. That's why, if you did a different one, it might go immediately. But the smooth gradients takes a bit longer. And let's press Control and 0. So there it is rescaled. So, and you can see that all the different layer styles I had previously are all matching up in the same way they did before. So yeah, so that is the way to resize your images. So thanks for watching.